Happy Friday, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. I'm so excited for this week's video because it's the first official video in my brand new kitchen. Give this video a big thumbs up if you're as excited as I am. I'm freaking out. Doesn't the kitchen look good? And I'm also excited because today I'm finally doing one of the most requested videos on my channel. I am giving you 5 easy, healthy snacks. I don't know why I haven't done this video before because I'm the snack queen. I love snacks, but today I'm super excited to show you some new healthy snack recipes. I hope this is fun for you. I hope you get some new good ideas. I hope this inspires you to get in the kitchen, be creative, come up with something that you love, because really what it comes down to is finding what works for you and finding what you love. Last thing before we get started, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. It's the easiest way you can support me as a creator. It's absolutely free. And if you're enjoying these videos, if they bring a smile to your face, do me a favor and hit that button. You're the best. Okay, let's go. We're gonna kick it off with probably the easiest recipe. It takes less than 3 minutes to make, and it's 3 ingredients. This is a rice cake protein cereal. It might sound kind of weird, but one of my friends, she's a personal trainer, she gave me this idea, and I think it's so genius. All you're gonna do is take a rice cake, crumple it up into a bowl, and then make a protein shake. So you can use whatever kind of milk or liquid that you want, mix 1 scoop of protein powder, shake that up, and then you're gonna pour that into your rice cake cereal as the milk. And that's literally it. I think this is such a fun twist on cereal. It's packed with protein, and you can use whatever kind of flavored protein powder you like. Amazing. Moving right along, the second snack we're going to make today are these banana chips. They're so easy. You're going to take 1 banana. You could also double this recipe and do 2 bananas depending on how much you want to make. Peel your banana and then slice it into really thin slices, about 1/4 inch. Then you're going to put your bananas into a bowl, sprinkle them with about 1 teaspoon of olive or avocado oil, and then hit them with a little bit of salt. Now you're going to preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees and let it preheat for about 5 minutes. Then you're going to lay the bananas into the air fryer on a single layer. You might have to do this in multiple batches depending on how many bananas you're making, but then air fry the banana chips at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes, flipping them halfway through. I ended up just flipping them with my fingers because it was easier, so be very careful if you try this method. Once they're done, you'll have these beautiful little banana chips, you guys. They're so cute. If you love bananas, this is such a fun snack. I love these. Yum, air fryers are the best. Okay, before we move on, comment down below and tell me what your favorite snack is right now. Next, this is one of my favorite snacks to make. It'll make your whole kitchen, apartment, house, room, whatever you're cooking, smell so good. I've shown you how to make this before, but I have to show you again because it's such a staple in my snack collection. These, my friends, are cinnamon apples. Cinnamon apples are the best because it makes you feel like you're eating dessert, but you're really not. And they're so versatile. You can put them on yogurt, you can put them on top of your pancakes, waffles. You can add ice cream or whipped cream if you want to make it a dessert, or you can just eat it straight from the bowl because they're that good. For this, you're gonna chop 1 large Honeycrisp apple into bite-sized pieces. Toss them with a little bit of brown sugar and cinnamon. Once they're coated, heat some coconut oil onto a big skillet and pour the apples onto the skillet once the oil is hot. Then all you have to do is saute them until they're soft but still have a little crunch to them. Y'all, I'm telling you, if you have not tried cinnamon apples, this needs to be on your list this week. They're so stinking good. You don't even need a crust. It tastes like pie. Pie, it's literally just apples and cinnamon and a little bit of brown sugar. Number 4, brownie baked oatmeal. I loved the baked oats trend on TikTok. It was one of my favorites. I might do a baked oats series, so let me know down in the comments if you would like that. But today, we're gonna make this beautiful little brownie baked oatmeal. This recipe is so easy. You're going to add oats, half a banana, 1/4 cup of milk, an egg, a heaping tablespoon of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to a blender. Now you're gonna spray a little baking dish or a ramekin with oil so it doesn't stick. Pour your batter into the dish and top it with chocolate chips. Now you're gonna bake it at 350 for about 15 minutes. And what you're left with is this beautiful, decadent, gooey brownie baked oats. Holy moly, this is so gooey. Oh gosh. Wow. I react as if I've never had this before. It's just so good. Every time I eat it, it's like the first time. The last recipe I'm gonna show you how to make is also super easy. These are little frozen yogurt berry bites. All you're gonna do is take blueberries. You could also, I guess, use blackberries or raspberries, but pour them into a bowl and then take some yogurt. I'm using vanilla Noosa yogurt, but any yogurt will do. Now you're gonna toss the yogurt around the berries until all the berries are coated, and then pour them out into a single layer onto a baking sheet or a cutting board that is wrapped in parchment paper. And then all you're gonna do is pop these in the freezer until they're frozen. Easiest snack. They're so yummy, so refreshing. These are perfect for the summertime when you just want something quick and sweet on the go. Also, if you use Greek yogurt, then you're getting some extra protein, but these are the cutest and so fun to make. And fun to eat too. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these 5 easy, healthy recipes. Let me know down in the comments below which one is your favorite or which one you're excited to try first. Also, let me know any other video suggestions, things you want to see here on this channel. I really am so thankful for you, and I just feel so honored to get to do life and share these experiences with you. And y'all, we hit 400,000! We need to have a party. I can't believe our family is that big, and truly it is just so exciting to have you here. So thank you for being here. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join this amazing family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and we'll see you next week. Bye.